Pasta with tomato sauce and oregano recipe. In boiling water with salt added, I am placing half a pack of pasta. You can put the lid on slightly ajar to make the pasta cook better. If you closed it completely, it would boil over. If you didn't put the lid on at all, it would take longer to cook. I am draining the pasta I have cooked for 12 to 15 minutes and keeping it under cold running water. The reason for this is to keep the pasta to stay firmer. I am placing the strainer on the pot so that the water can thoroughly drain away. I am putting a dessert spoon of butter on a pan. When it starts melting, let's add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to it. After adding a dessert spoon of tomato paste, let's saute it nicely for a minute or two. This is to let the heavy smell of the paste entirely go away. Let's add 3 tablespoons of grated tomatoes on the pan. Now let's saute these a little and add a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's keep mixing it. Just before taking the sauce off the hob, let's add a teaspoon of dried oregano to the pan and turn off the heat. Let's mix the sauce with a wooden spoon thoroughly. The delicious pasta sauce is ready now. I am pouring the sauce in the same pot I cooked the pasta in. I am also turning on the heat. After that, let's add the pasta in and mix these two properly. This recipe will serve 3 people. Hope you enjoyed it! You can add some grated cheese on this pasta to elevate its taste. Please do not forget to like and share this video. Enjoy!